that we'll be using is content that we've developed to help trainers and consultants and evangelists kind of introduce the feature set of SQL Server 2012 to IT professionals and to developers in particular. So everything that we're going to show you over the next 2 days, you have access to, and you can take back home and use to train up your colleagues or your user groups or whoever else you think is important to learn about SQL Server 2012. The link that you see up there is to something we call the SQL Server 2012 Early Adoption Cookbook. You want to write that down, write that link down, mark it in your favorites, because you're going to be using it a lot over the next 2 days. Okay? While you're marking that favorite, I'm going to introduce the Microsoft team here. We're going to first go with Joe, who's going to be doing the lion's share of the heavy lifting over the next 2 days. Here you go, buddy.
Okay, I think I've pretty much talked to everybody, given out your passes, the instructions for the content, a little tiny piece of paper with a link on it. And is there anybody else that doesn't have one, hasn't gotten set up? Are we all good? Okay. Fantastic. Everybody's got their VM up and running? Was that the easiest classroom setup?
I love hosted classrooms. It's the way to go. Cool.
All right, so I'll be taking over whenever Roger finishes. Could be sometime this morning, sometime this afternoon, sometime tonight. And I guarantee that I'll have you out of here before 7 p.m. tonight.
Oh, I see a look of dismay.
Before is the operative word there.
Right. There you go. Thanks, Joe. Joe's a humble guy. He's a regional director and an MVP, and Joe's been working with SQL Server since 91? 93. So
January 93.
Yeah, he's been with the product since its beginning, as have I. I started Microsoft in 91. I came over from Sybase, at which point in time it was called the Microsoft Ashton Tate Sybase SQL Server version 1.0 for OS 2. And we had this crazy experiment that we could run database servers on PCs, and so we've come quite a long way from that. Our next team member up is Chuck from the. Chuck, I'll let you introduce yourself.
Good morning. I'm Chuck Heinzelman. I am a member of the BP CX team, same team that Roger's on, just a different focus. I deal with community and also do some work with SQLcat. If you haven't heard of SQLcat, go to SQLcat.com. Great resources out there. I'm basically here just to provide moral support and heckle these guys. That's my role.
Cool. Thanks. And yeah, welcome, I think, he says. And my two colleagues here from SouthWorks, I'm going to have you guys introduce yourselves quickly.
Good morning. I'm Daniel Altamirano. I work from SouthWorks. I work for Roger, and we prepare some of the content that he's going to show here.
Yeah, so Daniel's responsible for packaging up all the good stuff in the cookbook. So he's traveled up from Buenos Aires to see how delighted you all are with this content, right? Cool.
Hello, good morning. I'm Mariana Converti. I work in the previous version of the training kit for 2008 R2, and now I'm part of the team with Daniel.
Great. Thanks, Mariana. All right, so that's the team, and we'll be here throughout the next couple days. Pretty much any of the 5 of us will be good folks to ask or come grab if you're having a problem. Let's take about 5 to 10 minutes and find out who you are.
My name is Greg Tallman. I'm with the University of Nevada, Reno, up north. I've been a SQL guy since 6.5.
Cool.
So, and I manage all the environmental data up at the university up there. So, do regulatory compliance.
Great. Welcome, Greg. Here. Thanks, man. Thanks for coming. Not too far of a drive for you, huh? Was it really? Oh, gotcha.
Good morning. My name is David Meyerhart. I'm a SQL developer. I've been doing it since SQL 2000. Y soy argentino también. Also in Argentina, but I live in Orange County, California.
Cool. Welcome. Thanks. Thanks. Did you drive as well?
No, I flew.
Oh, smart man.
Hi, my name is Thomas Shard. I'm actually from Nashville, Tennessee. I'm a .NET developer and SQL developer and a SQL DBA wannabe. So
Awesome.
excited to be here.
Great. Thanks for making the trip, man.
Hi, my name is Conley, and I'm came from the Maryland, near Washington DC.
Cool.
And I'm a DBA / developer / manager.
Lots of hats.
Yeah. And I wrote a few articles at the MS SQL tips there too.
Great. Thanks for making the trip.
Thank you.
Fellow East Coaster. I'm from Philadelphia, so.
Hello, my name is Faraz Khan. I'm from Arizona State University, College of Law. And I come sort of similar to him, jack of all, master of none.
Yes.
I am a .NET developer, and also I've been working with SQL for the past 10 years almost.
Great. Thanks for making the trip for us. Right behind you there.
Hi, I'm Annie Mercy. I work for a company called Equivalent Data out of Houston, Texas. I'm the lead web application developer, but we only have 5 developers, so we all wear a lot of hats also, and I'm pretty much responsible for all of the database schema, database development, and we're hoping to find out what new cool things that SQL 2012 can do to enhance our applications.
Came to the right place, Anne. Welcome. Thanks for coming.
Hi, my name is Romy Wadwa. I'm from New York, working for Paramedic Corp. I'm a developer as well as DBA. I'm working with SQL for 10 years.
Great, Romeo. Thanks for coming. Fellow East Coaster as well. I was just up in Manhattan. We went to see Priscilla, Queen of the Desert on Broadway. It was pretty funny.
Hi, I'm Len Getty. I'm a senior management analyst with the Department of Veterans Affairs. Been a programmer since around mid-'80s and working with various databases since about '95. And currently working with 2008 R2 and Visual Studio 10 and hoping to see what these do for us. So.
Great. Welcome, Len. My former customer, I used to work for Microsoft Federal in D.C., so VA was one of my customers. So Good to have you here, man.